How to connect an HP printer to a wireless network using Wi-Fi protected setup. You can connect your HP printer to a wireless network using the push-button method of Wi-Fi protected setup, or WPS for short. Connecting your printer to a network through WPS does not require a computer or the network name and password. To connect your printer using WPS, you must have a wireless HP printer that supports WPS push-button mode and a router with a WPS button. If you decide to connect your printer to your computer in the future and your computer prompts you to enter a WPS PIN, select Cancel. Your computer has detected the Wi-Fi direct feature of the printer, which is not part of the WPS setup. For printers with a wireless button, press and hold it for 3 seconds until the wireless light blinks. If your printer doesn't have a wireless button, but does have a control panel with menus, navigate to the Network Settings or the Wireless Settings menu. Select Wi-Fi Protected Setup, then Push button, and then select Start. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the router for 3 to 5 seconds until the WPS light blinks. It can take a few minutes for the printer to establish a connection with the router. Once the wireless connection is established, either the wireless light on your printer stops blinking or a message appears on the control panel. Now that your printer is connected to the wireless network, you can install HP Printer software on your mobile device or computer and begin printing.